Hey, welcome to Kali TV and welcome to a brand new year. We have made it, guys. We have made it to 2023. If you are new to me, welcome. If you've never heard of me, I am Hurt. I am Carla Williams Johnson, the CEO's publicist, helping you get seen, get heard on a global stage. And I just want to start the new year by saying, oh my God, I'm so thankful that you guys are here, that you guys are with me, that you guys are on this journey with me. I have big things planned for 2023. I'm turning 10, guys. 10. And I'm just so happy that you are here with me. And I want to start us off with this episode on like a high note. I am telling you that this is going to be your year. Yes, you heard me. I've said it. This is going to be your year. Despite what's going on in the world, despite what's happening, despite how you might feel, I am here to claim it all for you. This is your year. And I want to share with you 5 or 6 tips that can really help you move, get going, and make those hashtag money moves for 2023. I know some of you might not really be feeling it, but I'm feeling it for you, and these tips are going to help. Number one, you've got to feed your mind. Listen, you don't know everything and you don't know what you don't know, as they say, right? So you need to feed your mind. If you have not started, please do start reading some books. There's some really fabulous books out there. If you're not into like physical reading, I'm very old school. I love like my physical books. But if you're not into that, get into some audiobooks. I will link in the description box some of my favorite books so far. Right now, I'm reading Everyday Magic by Maddie James. I love it. But there are really great books like Atomic Habits. Essentialism is fantastic if you feel like you're always very busy. We Should All Be Millionaires. Like these are really great books. So I would link some in the description. Books that has really helped me grow and thrive. Two, listen to the people who have gone through what you are dealing with and have seen results. Too often we try to get, motivation and inspiration from the wrong places, from people who are on the same level as us. But we need to look at people who have gone through it. What have they used? What are the, secrets that they can share with you so you can move past whatever it is you're feeling, right? And if you are struggling with trying to figure things out, I am here for you. I always include a link for a form where you can ask me anything, but really listen and take after the people who have gone through what you are currently going through, sorry, and have seen results. Number three, invest in yourself. That is necessary. Invest in a legit coach, someone who can truly guide you to where you need to be. Whether that's a financial coach, whether that's a business coach, whether that's a PR coach, like whomever you need to get you from point A to point B or from point January to December, you need to really invest that. You cannot do it alone, honey. I know you're trying. You really can't do it alone. And there are some really great people out there, people like myself, people like my clients that I can recommend. Whatever you need, just ask and I will make it happen for you. Then stop hiding. You are hiding in what I call plain sight. Posting on social media, even if you're, well, let's face it, you're not consistent, right? But even if you are consistent, it's still showing up to the same people all the time that already have told you that they're just not into you. And I don't mean this in a bad way. This is the truth, right? So get visible, use PR, use the media, network, get out there, show up, meet people. I cannot tell you how important that is. I just spoke to a client who was fearful about showing up. She was absolutely fearful about showing up. But you know what? She listened to me. She put herself out there, and now she has quite a few influencers promoting her brand. She made some really great connections that could form some lucrative deals, all because she decided that she was going to show up. And last but not least, you have to get moving. I mean, you can make a plan and you can plan as much as you want to plan, but you have to get going. As my mentor always says, was I have adopted there is no transformation in information. only in action. So if you want to get into action, if you want to show up, if you want to be out there, if you want to be mentored by me on how to show up, because I know that could be scared. Scared. That could be scary. It could be daunting. It could be a little nerve-wracking. But if this is something that you know that you need for 2023 and you feel it in your bones, then I want to invite you to the free 5-day challenge. There to be seen. It's back, people. It is back. It is a free 5-day challenge on demand. Reason it's on demand is that you don't have to wait on any start dates. You know how it is, right? You sign up for something and then you miss the start date and then you miss a few days and you don't want to, like, we're not doing that, right? We're not doing that in 2023. It is on demand, people. 5 days that will change your life. Absolutely. I am not joking. I will teach you how to say what you need to say, who to say it to, where to show up, how to show up so that you could make the connections that get you seen, that get you heard, and get you paid. So if you're interested, again, I'm going to link the link in the description box. So you can sign up now and get all the information on demand. And it's free, guys. It's free. So we not even worry about it. And I even included a bonus for you introverts out there, you introverts in business. I have included a bonus that can help you really get yourself out of your comfort zone. So sign up, get seen, get heard, make that money, make 2023 the best yet. So if you love this video, be sure to like and subscribe. I will be here next week again with more videos, more tips, more training, more everything, more Kali TV. Yeah? So I will talk to you very, very soon. Bye.